If you ever had seedlings struggle after being transplanted because they're root bound inside the plastic nursery containers, this is why I use a soil blocker. It makes a freestanding soil block without the plastic container around it so that there is no root binding that's going to happen. And that's the key difference of why soil blocks make a healthier and more successful transplant when you go ahead and plant the seedlings into your garden. Once the roots hit the edges of the soil, they're going to touch air. And that's going to signal the roots to stop growing outside of the soil block, and it's going to signal more branching to happen within the block, giving a healthier and more robust root system. You're going to get stronger roots, faster establishment, and less transplant shock when you're putting it back into your garden. If you're building a garden or even a flower farm, this is one of the tools that you definitely want to give a shot. So we're going to start off with some water in here, and we'll kind of just scoop in some mix into the water. And I'll show you what the consistency we're looking for is. You kind of want to have the mix hold shape, not too dry, not too wet. When it's too dry, it will crumble. If it's too wet, it will also crumble. So you got to get that right consistency where when you squeeze it, a little bit of water drops out and it'll hold its shape. So that's kind of what the soil blocker is going to do. When it compresses it in the soil blocker and then releases, it'll leave you with a nice block. I'll show you in a second. Just get the soil blocker. Kind of want to mash it up. Get that soil stuffed in there, and looks pretty good. Take your soil blocker, put it aside, bring over your tray, and do the first throw. And then lift it up and you have your first row. And there you go, your first throw. I think this holds around 30, between 30 and 36, so that's perfect. I'm gonna do this a few more times. And then you can take a look and see how it's nicely packed in there. Go ahead and put the next throw in. Squish it down a little bit so it's nice and compact. And lift it up. There you go, your second row. Take a look at that. All right. Crap, I messed up one block. It's okay. That's all right. Soil, water. Mix this up. Get your mashed potato tool. Squeeze test. A little bit of water. Nice shape. It's ready for blocking. Pretty legit, look at that. Wham. Boom, okay. And this is what you can look forward to in just a couple of weeks.